Hi everybody, in this video we're going to show you how to reset your Samsung television to all of its factory settings, and there are a few steps involved, so make sure you watch the whole thing. And first thing you're going to do is hit the menu button, and once you're in here you're going to go down to where it says support, and you're going to hit the right arrow and then hit the down arrow to go to self-diagnosis, and then you hit the center button of your directional pad, and that's going to bring you this screen here. Now, here's where it gets a little complicated. You have to go down and you have to do Reset Smart Hub first. And that's going to kind of reset all your passwords and take you out of the Samsung network. So you're going to hit the middle directional button and it's going to bring up this screen here. Your default pin is 4 zeros. So you just use the 0 button on your remote control, hit that 4 times. And it's going to reset all your Smart Hub features. So you'll see it run through here. You have a little percentage sign on the left-hand side, and then it'll say reset is complete, and then it'll show you that you're signed out. Now from here, the second step is going to be hitting the down arrow again, and now this is going to reset all of your TV settings. So it's going to restore everything to the way it was from the factory. So again, you're going to use that middle directional button, and again, you're going to hit 4 zeros. And now this is going to return everything to factory settings except your network settings. So we can hit yes. And that's going to reset the TV. So you'll see you'll start over from the start screen again. And it'll bring you through the whole initial setup again. So you'll get to run through that whole setup process to get the TV to where you want it once again. And that's how you do a factory reset on your Samsung television.